Topic: Digital finance, transforming the future of economy. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly innovative, and transformative topic: digital finance, transforming the future of economy. In the modern world, technology has changed almost every aspect of human life, and the financial sector is no exception. Digital finance refers to financial services delivered through digital platforms such as mobile banking, online payments, digital wallets, and internet-based investment systems. Over the last decade, digital finance has experienced tremendous growth and has become an essential part of the global economy. One of the biggest advantages of digital finance is convenience. People can transfer money, pay bills, shop online, and manage investments within seconds using smartphones. This has made financial transactions more efficient, and accessible. Earlier, people had to stand in long queues at banks, but now banking services are available anytime and anywhere. Another major benefit is financial inclusion. Millions of people, especially in rural areas, previously lacked access to formal banking systems. Digital finance has helped connect these individuals to the financial world through mobile banking and digital payment applications. This creates a more inclusive economic system where more people can participate in financial activities. Digital payment systems such as UPI and mobile wallets have transformed the way businesses operate. Small shopkeepers and street vendors can now accept digital payments easily. This reduces dependence on cash and promotes transparency in the economy. Such progress creates a more transparent and organized financial environment. Moreover, digital finance supports economic growth and innovation. Financial technology companies, commonly known as fintech companies, are developing advanced solutions for payments, lending, and investments. These innovations increase competition and improve customer experience. The fintech industry has become a highly dynamic sector in the modern economy. Governments and financial institutions are continuously working to strengthen digital infrastructure and cybersecurity systems. In conclusion, digital finance has transformed the way people save, spend, invest, and transfer money. It has improved convenience, financial inclusion, and economic efficiency. At the same time, issues such as cybersecurity and digital literacy must be addressed carefully. Digital finance is not merely a technological trend, it is the future of the global economy. If used responsibly and securely, it can create a smarter, faster, and more inclusive financial system for everyone. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the respected judges, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my thoughts. Your patience, encouragement, and attentive listening truly inspire me. I sincerely hope that my speech was informative, meaningful, and worthy of your valuable time. Thank you very much for listening so attentively and respectfully. I wish all of you great success, prosperity, happiness, and a bright future